Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Profit maximization in a monopsony labor market is tricky, but we can solve this quickly using the marginal revenue product and marginal factor cost. First, we must identify that a profit-maximizing firm hires workers where the marginal revenue product equals the marginal factor cost. Let's calculate the change in total cost for each worker. Next, find the marginal revenue product by multiplying the marginal product of labor by the whistle price of $10. This shows exactly how much revenue each additional worker actually generates. Compare these values. At 4 workers, marginal revenue product equals or exceeds marginal cost, making option D the profit-maximizing choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush to judgment. Trust the given data and check every step.